Just working on that exhaust. What? What's up, dude?
What's up, G?
The beauty of working on a naked bike. No fairings to take off. It's already ready to go. Now we just gotta grind it. The essentials. Hold it for me.
I will.
Alright. This should be fun. Been like 8 hours ago. Woo! Hell yeah. Alright.
That was a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, now we just gotta sand out all that stuff. I think I need to go on the wheel. I think I need to go on the wheel. This will work for the most part, but see how it eats away like ridiculous on the.
Oh shit.
Because it's not supposed to be. It's not supposed to be used for that.
I didn't even see that.
Yeah. It's freaking. Yeah, that's just gonna kill this wheel too quick. He has one at his house. I just gotta go grab it. All right.
Damn, dude, she looked good from behind.
Especially with no exhaust pipe. Just leave it like that, dude.
I know.
Let it
Just
pull
out the headers. Just...
Wonder what it sound like.
Oh god. I wonder if anyone's ever tried it. That sounds so bad.
Yeah.
Imagine it just spits flames. Steps, they were kidding about 7.
Shoots fire out the front. You got like a dragon bike. That's why it's made in Japan.
They just say it's super bad to run it like that. So that we don't have flames coming out.
Oh my god.
Imagine it's like a bunch more horsepower.
Like an unknown freaking secret. Add 700 horsepower with one easy tip.
You have to start your bike in third gear because first and second is wheelie. They just do backflips.
You just gotta take off through. Whoa, what just happened?
You're all stunting. Everyone's like, who's this guy?
What the? You just start going faster.
Flames are just freaking shooting me in circles.
Oh my god. Well, he rode up to school a little bit, so.
I'm just, you know, I'm being sarcastic.
You know I'm being sarcastic. Was he being sarcastic? Was he? We're about to repo this bike. What's up, Liz?
How are you?
I'm doing all right. I just need to grab a freaking grinder wheel.
A grinder wheel?
Yeah.
You're working on Sunday?
Yeah, working on our bikes.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's fun work at least.
That's like, yeah, I gotta go shopping.
Right?
Can't find anything in here. I don't know where that wheel is. It's probably on this. Right in here. Oh, so much easier to find stuff in here. Alright. Huh? Here's what we have to go through. Yeah, just to find some utensils to cut stuff. just bought one.
How much are they?
I don't know, probably $10 out of nowhere.
That's what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
It's an angle grinder for iron. No, I don't know if we're in this. Huh? Oh, we're in it. Yeah.
Oh, definitely at the skate park right there. They got good guys there.
We should go see what's up and go shred the metal real quick.
With no skateboards?
I have a skateboard and shoes.
I don't.
And you're not skating.
Skater.
Ow, huh?
The guy up there just ate shit.
Ow! Floating in the wind, dog.
It's probably all
We
shaky.
should go get like a random footy of some dude just skating. And goes in like, what's up, dude? We're doing what are we doing? What's this thing called? Podcast or anything? Vlog or something?
Hey, we're part of a podcast. You guys mind answering some questions?
Vlog, we're like, dude, we want to film this skate because we're going around and
That's what we do now. We just podcast for random people at a skate park.
yeah. Hey, so next month when you guys see this, let me know how you guys are doing. Hopefully you're doing as good as I'm doing today. Which I won't be doing good next month.
I don't want to.
That's what I'm saying, like, do it for the video, dude. You gotta do it for the vlog.
I bet you like AMR's dead then.
Yeah, I bet you're right on that one. Yeah, it's surprising how many angles this thing gets. You can probably pull on speed. It definitely helps you.
Yeah.
Pull on like everything.
Yeah, like that's crazy though. Like just a lens can do that. Sometimes like I'm a pretty tall guy. If some little Asian lady comes in, I can't get in the car. I'm moving the seat back. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Oh look, it's still broken. Yeah.
Probably not hot no more.
Is it still hot?
It's warm.
It's warm because it's hot outside. What do we need? What do we got in here? I want a Coke. You want a Coke?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
You want me to hold that or
It's hard
is it on?
I'm trying to, yeah, it's on.
That looks bomb, dude. I wonder how long it's been in there.
What, that Kit Kat? Or the recent, what the heck? Why we got that in there?
The funny thing
Why the
is,
heck
is
is-
your dad probably threw it in there. Tell me he just later forgets about it, and 3 years later he's gonna be like, "We're gonna go to move that when you guys move." What is this doing in here?
Reese's. Alright, let me use. I gotta clear this thing out, right? You said? Okay.
So because the exhaust pushes out.
Alright. So you just run down the outside. She's almost done. Tightening up the gasket, making sure we have good leaks. Good leaks. Yeah,
Nothing but leaks.
check it out. The new M4 exhaust. Boom. Took it off, sawed it down, grinded it down. I got all set up. See how she sounds here pretty shortly. Finishing touches. Alright, after getting this exhaust on, gotta go see how it sounds. What's up, Vance? You ready? Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't sound like crap.
I know, dude. Let's hope.
Let's hear it. Oh, his bike doesn't even start.
What does that?
Does it a lot? Oh, so much better.
Good, huh?
Yeah, that was good. Yeah.
Dude, that's loud.
Yeah.
Without the DB?
Yeah. Oh my god, could you imagine? We gotta see.
We have to.
Alright, so we just took out the, what's it called?
What is it, DB killer or something like that?
DB killer,
It
something
does
like
kill
that.
the sound,
Anyway,
that's
you
what
take
it
out you take out this guy. Oh, DB killer, decibel killer.
Yeah,
That makes sense.
makes sense.
Alright, so we took out this DB killer. What? Super easy. Just took out an Allen wrench and, well, took out like 50,000 Allen wrenches. And now look, you can see it's straight exhaust. Start it up, dude. Let's see how loud it is compared to what it was. It should be a lot louder. Woo! Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, that's loud.
That's how we do it.
That is how we do it. Right on. M4 exhaust installed. Now we gotta like ride. CJ's gonna go take it for a spin real quick. Sounds way better.